Well, we got a streaker today, you guys, and it's not me, not this time. So we got a bunch of streaks running down. What happens is this thing's been sitting, it got dusty, it started raining, and all the dust just comes down the side of the fuselage and stays. This aircraft in particular, we've buffed this out. Fuselage, it's got some gloss, right? And so it'll come right off with a rinseless wash or a wet wash, you name it. The aircraft's oxidized, paint's deteriorated. You're gonna have to come in with the greaser to get those streaks out, and you gotta let the customer know that's like you're washing it twice, not once, twice. You have to come through, degrease it, then wash it. So yeah, not your problem. Maintain your aircraft, get them polished, get them buffed out, and then it's gonna be very easy for your detailer to handle this.